Yo, what's going on YouTube fam? It's your boy, Michael-san, back with another Vliggity vlog. And, you know, like I was saying, you guys already know, it's a Sunday vlog, it's beautiful out, and we had to bring the boys along. So we are heading to my sister's crib. We're gonna go grab some food. Whoa, we got some bike brothers out with us too, guys. I guess we gotta say what's up to them, cause bright little yellow vet. Alright boys, we got caught up in the moment. We saw some bikes at the light and your boy turned into a degenerate and the vlogging stopped after that. Also, your boy realized he forgot his little neck wind guard, so I can already tell you guys, I already know audio of me riding is going to be completely blown out. So we're going to get our talking done now. But what I was trying to say earlier was we are on the way, me and the fiance, wherever she is, somewhere back there. We're on the way to my sister's crib. We're doing a nice little Sunday dinner with the fam, so we heading over there. Of course, it's a gorgeous Sunday, so we are obviously taking the bike out. Oh lordy lord, we love this. Almost November, boys. Almost November, and your boy's literally in a hoodie. Chilling in a hoodie. I wish my bike told me the temp outside, because I sure as hell have no idea other than an assumption that I'm gonna make, and I'm gonna say at least mid to high 60s. Oh man, look at that, guys. There's like no clouds, sun's blasting, you got a nice plane. We're out on the bike vibing, quite literally vibing. I preach this all the time to you guys. This is what life's all about. Just a nice 10, 15, 20-minute ride. Hopping on the bike, a beautiful day. We're gonna try and catch a sunset if we get out of the, you know, these dinner plans with the familia soon. But, you know, we're in no rush. We're out here just vibing, enjoying the days that we have here. And man, let me tell you, the fall is one way to make me happy. Seeing all the trees change different colors. You got all the leaves on the ground. And then you get a beautiful day like this with no clouds and the sun sunning. Boys. And then if you can make it to the woodwork for a sunset, that's, I mean, that's pure excitement for me. It's so hilly over here. I don't know if you guys can even tell how hilly it is. It's freaking hilly. We got towers over there. We're just cruising in third gear. Just hilling around. Hilling around, boys. The question is, where's the boss? I don't see no boss, so we're gonna pull up to my sister's shortly, and I will pull you guys out on the ride later on the way home. We'll close out the vlog then. So I just wanted to pull you guys out while the sun's still out, get some chopping in, because like I said, I forgot my friggin' wind guard, so I already know that's not gonna sound good on the highways. This is definitely freshly paved. We love this. But yeah, boys, I will pull y'all out later after din-dins with the fam, and you got that poor bike just dying over there. Sad, sad, sad. All right, y'all. See y'all in a few. All right, guys. We were out here enjoying the views, and then we get to see all these turks. Look at all those chickens. Look at all those chickens. Look at that. And I'm on this little pink scooter waiting. This is what we were doing. You getting a view? Look at those turd burglars. And then you got the CBRs or the Sibizzles. Oh God, it is chilly out here, y'all. Oh man, boys. This is gonna be a cold ride home. This is going to be a cold one. Alright, boys. We are out of here. We are back on the road and the sun is gone. And your boy is gonna be shivering when I pull up to the crib. Let's just say if I make it there, I might be an icicle on the side of the street. Jeez. It was practically 70 degrees out earlier. And now it feels like I'm in the freaking Antarctica. Oh gosh, boys. I'm not ready for the winter season. We're not ready for this. We've made it to about the home stretch here, luckily. Pretty much just gotta go a couple miles on this street and your boy is back. Surprisingly, hopefully you guys can hear me, but I'm actually warm now. Don't know what happened. I was shivering. I guess I shivered so much that I created some friction in the body. And your boy is warm now. We're crisped up. I just wish I had my neck covering so the audio is a little bit better for y'all. We got Ken Dog behind us, which means we must be vibing pretty good. We must be on the same vibe, same type of time right now. Hey brother, that was a red arrow. So yeah guys, I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog. No way. Do we all see this? That's another toaster oven. Guys, it's like a thing. Whenever I'm vlogging and I pull you guys out, we always see a Cybertruck. It's like, I just don't understand it now. I'm actually annoyed by it. Well, let's get a little bit closer, and I'm gonna close this video out for y'all. Goddamn! Boys, Betsy is loving the temperature. She's loving it. She's telling me all about her VTech adventures today. She's a VTech girl at heart. Oh man, boys, are we recording? We're definitely recording. I hope you guys just heard Betsy pop. She just gave me a couple pops there. I guarantee you there were some flames following behind her. Sheesh. But that's gonna close up this video. I know it was a little bit different. We didn't really have plans. The weather has definitely been a lot colder now. You boys got to get a little bit more gear to get prepared for the winter to keep riding for you guys. But like I said earlier in the vlog, we went to my sister's for a night's family dinner. And yeah man, just enjoying a beautiful Sunday, just hanging out with the family and the loved ones. So I hope everybody else enjoyed their weekends. And that's gonna be the end of this vlog, but you guys already know the videos keep on coming. This person, God man, this person, God damn baby. Yeah, there we go, baby. But yeah, I hope this video wasn't too short. I'm not really sure where I'm at content wise. I also just flipped my visor down. I can't see a single goddamn thing. But yeah, I don't know where we're at lengthwise on this video. But of course, if there's a chance for me to pull you guys out, you know I'm gonna do it. So with that being said, I love every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and keep on being Cub Scouts.